Good morning, children. Next topic is view and analyze statistics. So, in typing tutor, we can view and analyze the statistics. That is, how many lessons have been taught, what are the practiced, and what are the typing speed and all. That comes under statistics. So, to view the results of all the lessons that you have already completed, open the statistics section and choose the button on the top left corner of the main window. So this is the statistics window that opens up when you click on the Good morning, children. Next topic is view and analyze statistics. So to view the statistics related to lessons, that is, what is the typing speed, how many correct words were entered. So to view that, in the typing tutor, click on the left button, that is this button. Click here and the rapid typing statistics window will open up, and in the window there is a graph representation of the statistics and a tabular representation. So here you can review your overall statistics and progress in graphical and tabular view. This is the graphical view and this is the tabular view. So when we click in the top left corner of the window, you can see your characters per minute. That is, how many characters per minute is entered. Then, or you can click Control plus 1. Then click the button on your keyboard Control plus 2 to see your words per minute. That is words per minute. Then you can see your typing accuracy changes in different lessons. That is how your accuracy has been changed in each lesson. So you can review your overall statistics in both graphical and in table view by clicking on the top left corner of the window. You can see your character per minute, speed, progress, and you can see your words per minute speed, and you can see your typing accuracy changes in different lessons. In you can see in graphical and in tabular form. Now, if you want to delete any metric from your statistics, then you can select that particular lesson in the right table and click the button or press delete on your keyboard. So you can remove any metric, that is any measuring criteria from your lesson. So click on that lesson and click on that particular column and press the delete key. Then on the next topic is view and analyze statistics. So to view the results of all the lessons that you have already completed, open the statistics section and then choose the button in the top left corner of the main window. So then the statistics screen will be shown, which is like this. So in that there are two parts. One part is represented by graphs and another part is represented by table. So when you click the button in the top left corner of the window, you can see the character per minute speed. The character per minute speed. Then again, if you click on the window button, or if you click Ctrl plus 2, then you will see words per minute. Then if you press Ctrl plus 3, then you will see the accuracy. Then if you want to remove a metric from your statistics, suppose these are the metrics, that is overall rating, speed. So if you want to remove these metrics, then you can select a lesson in the table and click the button, or press delete on your keyboard. Then on the taskbar in the upper part of the window, you can choose keyboard layout, level and course for which you would like to see statistics. You can also switch between the lesson group, that is statistics by lessons, and the day group, that is statistics by days. Then detailed lesson statistics. To review the statistics for a particular lesson, choose the lesson in the right table and then click the lesson tab in the top right corner. Then the lesson tab contains the same data that are displayed upon the completion of every lesson. Then working with lesson editor. So to open lesson editor, click the button in the top left corner of the rapid typing window. Then lesson editor window will open up, and it is composed of taskbar, which allows to select the keyboard layout and level on the lesson to edit. Then toolbar, which includes basic lesson 1 or lesson 2, etc. for inserting text. Now there is a navigation tree which shows the existing course and lesson hierarchy. Then like the navigation tree which shows the basic course and the lessons, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, etc. Then the text panel, which is an area where you can edit the text of the lesson currently selected in the navigation tree. Then lesson metrics, which displays the number and percentage of words, characters, spaces and specific characters in the lesson. Then keyboard, which is the virtual keyboard that highlights the characters used in the currently selected lesson. You can customize its appearance in the lesson section. Then lesson editor makes all the lessons fully customizable. You can add, insert, change and delete lessons, group them in courses and review the corresponding metrics. Then calculating the speed. The typing speed can be measured with different accuracies such as how many words are typed for a certain time period, then how many characters are typed for a certain time period, then how many keystrokes are made for a certain time period. Also there are simple speed, that is gross speed, and then net speed, that is the it takes into account the errors occurred. So the following table lists the detailed description of typing speed types. So the different types of speed are WPM, that is words per minute. So the number of words typed in 1 minute is the words per minute. It is calculated as WPM is equal to words without errors plus words with errors by time spent in minutes. Then net WPM. It is the WPM without words with errors, that is words with errors are removed. So net WPM is equal to WPM minus words with errors by time spent in minutes. Then CPM, that is characters per number of characters typed in a minute. So CPM is equal to characters without errors plus characters with errors by time spent in minutes. Then net CPM, the CPM without characters with errors, that is all the characters with errors are removed. Then net CPM is equal to CPM minus characters with error by time spent in minutes. Then KPM, that is the number of keystrokes in 1 minute period of time. That is KPM is equal to keystrokes without errors plus keystrokes with errors by time spent in minutes. Then net keystrokes per minute, the keystrokes per minute without keystroke errors. So net keystrokes per minute is equal to keystrokes per minute minus keystrokes with errors by time spent in minute. Suppose a student typed 240 characters per minute per 2 minute with errors in 20 characters. So simple speed is equal to 240 characters by 2 minutes, that is 120 character per minute. And net speed, that is there are 20 errors. So net speed is equal to simple speed minus errors by total time, total errors by total time. Is equal to net 120 minus 20 by 2, that is 100. Then typing accuracy. So typing accuracy is defined as the percentage of correct entries out of the total entries typed. The following table lists the different formulas for typing accuracy calculation. So typing accuracy is defined as the percentage of correct entries out of the total entries typed. Percentage of correct entries out of the total entries typed. So the following table lists different formulas for typing accuracy calculation. So accuracy means percentage of correct entries. How many total entries are there? Out of that, how much entries were correct? So that is accuracy. So accuracy in words. So for words, what is the accuracy? So it is calculated as accuracy is equal to 100% minus words with errors into 100% by total number of words. Then accuracy in characters is equal to 100% minus character with errors into 100% by total number of characters. Then for accuracy in keystrokes, so it is equal to 100% minus incorrect keystrokes into 100 by total number of words. It is this 100% is used because in order to represent that, accuracy is represented in percent. For that, this percentage symbol is used. Then error in words. Errors in words, that is error percentage, is given as error percentage is equal to words with errors into 100% by total number of words. That is, this part is represented as error percentage. That is, errors, words with error into 100 by total words. That is error percentage. Usually we can compute the percentage as what we got into 100 by total. So error percentage means words with errors into 100 by total number of words. Then error in the character. Character error means this is not there. Number of characters with error into 100 by total characters. Likewise, errors in the keystrokes is equal to incorrect keystrokes into 100 by total number of keystrokes. Then next is the slowdown indicator, which is to control the constant typing speed. The slowdown indicator is used. Then to find out the slowdown percentage, that is delay, that is after one key press how much time we are spending to press the next one. So the slowdown in words, for typing based on the word, what is the slowdown percentage? That is words with delay into 100 by total number of words. Then slowdown in characters is characters with delay into 100 by total number of characters. Then slowdown percentage in keystrokes is equal to keystroke delay into 100 by total number of keystrokes. Then overall rating calculation. So overall rating is equal to, overall rating percentage is equal to net speed by course goal speed into 100. Net speed by course goal speed into 100. So net speed is the net WPM, net CPM or net KPM. The value depends on the correct option. That is what we have selected as the measuring option, as the metric. Suppose if we have selected WPM, then net speed will be our net WPM, or if we have selected CPM, the net speed will be our net CPM, or if we have selected KPM, then our net speed will be net KPM. So any of that is considered as the net speed. Then course goal, it is the, this speed is customized in the options for each course. So for each course a customized speed is there, and that is the course goal speed. Then what is good typing speed? So an average professional typist types usually in speeds of 50 to 80 words per minute, while some positions can occur 80 to 95, and some advanced typists work at speeds above 120 words per minute. The fastest typing speed on an alphanumeric keyboard, 216 words in 1 minute, was achieved by Stella Pajunas in 1946. Then, as of 2005, writer Barbara Blackburn was the fastest alphanumeric English language typist in the world. According to the Guinness Book of World Records, using Dvorak simplified keyboard, she mentioned 150 words per minute for 50 minutes and 170 words per minute for shorter periods. Her top speed was 212 words per minute. So children, I'll provide these question answers as a PDF. Thank you.